How you guys doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here in the workbench. Nice little light show going on here. And what I'd like to talk about right now is dash lights. In particular, our new dash light. This is going to be the Wicked Warnings brand single and double dash light. As you can see, we've got a couple of different display options for patterns, but the light does come in a single and a double. And the way we're going to sell this light, it's going to come with two different mounting options, because some of the windshields are long and sloped, where you're going to need a mount like this, a nice shroud with a deep angle, and the suction cups, or if you want to provide your own dual lock 3M Velcro works very good here. This is the standard mount that's going to come on the light, and you're also going to get a simple metal bail mount. Just a metal bracket. Now that'd be in case you have a truck with a narrower windshield, a steeper windshield angle, and this long one doesn't quite work. Now both are going to be fully adjustable. You can adjust the angle in both of these mounts by the screws on the end, and the smaller one actually comes with a little tiny flashback shield that you can clip on it. So for some of the trucks like the Super Duty, this mount here might not fit, and this might be the better option. I'm going to include both, so you have options. You can buy this light in a single head, you can buy this light in a double head, you can buy this light in a few different color options. As you can see, definitely purple, definitely amber white, definitely amber. We also have a double head in amber, and we will be adding colors as popularity increases. They come with a standard cigarette plug and a nice long cord, so they are portable. They also come, of course, with your suction cups. Pro tip for the suction cup: clean your windshield very good with Windex or an ammonia-based cleaner, and when you apply this, a little tiny dab of clear silicone right in the center, just a small dab. Lock that suction cup onto the clean windshield. It'll last a lot longer that way. Check the website description right below for a little bit more detailed information. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. I'm going to take a measurement here. The last thing we'll end with. We've got about 10 inches bracket to bracket. The light itself is about 8 inches on that one. And on this one, we've got about 6 inches bracket to bracket. And the light itself is about 4 inches on this one. Full specs will be in the website, of course. Thanks again for watching. Looking forward to your orders.